Assalamu alaikum, 9th class. Today's we are doing chapter number 8, page number 172, 173 and 174. Today's our topic is conversion of temperature from one scale into another temperature scale. So students, today's we have to read about the conversion of temperature from one scale to another. Our first conversion is from Celsius to Kelvin scale. The formula of the conversion of temperature from Celsius to Kelvin. So we have to find the temperature in Kelvin. The formula of the temperature in Kelvin is this. So temperature in Celsius, by adding 273 in the temperature in Celsius, our temperature becomes in Kelvin scale. So to the related exercise, to the related example is 8.1. The statement of the example is, what will be the temperature on Kelvin scale, and on the Kelvin scale of temperature when it is 20 Celsius degree on Celsius scale. So the given data is temperature in Celsius scale. So we have to find the temperature in Kelvin scale. The formula is temperature in Kelvin is equal to 273 plus Celsius. 273 plus 20 Celsius. By adding, our answer becomes 293 Kelvin. This is your temperature in Kelvin. This is your formula and this is your example. The answer of the example is 293 Kelvin. Our next conversion is from Celsius to Kelvin. So we have to find the temperature in Celsius. For this we have to subtract the minus 273 from the temperature in Kelvin. This is your formula. The conversion from Kelvin to Celsius scale. We have to subtract 2 times 273 to the temperature in Kelvin scale. Then our answer becomes the temperature in Celsius scale. The related example is 8.2. The statement of the example is, change 300 Kelvin on Kelvin scale into Celsius scale of temperature. So our given data is temperature in Kelvin scale, that is 3000 Kelvin. We have to find temperature in Celsius scale. So the formula of the temperature in Celsius scale is temperature in Kelvin minus 273. By putting values 3000 Kelvin minus 273, our answer becomes in Celsius. So by subtracting these two terms, our answer becomes 227 degrees Celsius. Our next conversion is from Celsius to Fahrenheit. The formula of the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit is 1.8 C plus 32. C represent the temperature in Celsius scale. By multiplying the temperature in Celsius scale with 1.8 and by adding the answer with 32, our answer becomes in Fahrenheit. The related example is example number 8.3. The statement of the example is, convert 50 degrees Celsius on Celsius scale into Fahrenheit of the Fahrenheit temperature scale. So our given data is temperature in Celsius scale, that is 50 degree. We have to find the temperature in Fahrenheit scale. Formula of the conversion is 1.8 C plus 32. By putting values 1.8 multiply 50 plus 32, our answer becomes 1.22 Fahrenheit scale. Our next conversion is from Fahrenheit to Celsius scale. From this it is clear, students, 32 will subtracted on other side and 1.8 will be divided. So from Fahrenheit to Celsius is 1 Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. You can also write 1 over 1.8 Fahrenheit minus 32. Related example is 8.4. Statement of the example is, convert 100 Fahrenheit into the temperature on Celsius scale. So our given data is temperature in Fahrenheit, that is 100 Fahrenheit. We have to convert into Celsius scale. The formula of the conversion is F minus 32 over 1.8. By putting values 100 minus 32 divided by 1.8, our answer becomes 68 over 1.8. After division, our answer becomes 37.8 degrees Celsius. This is your answer. Your diary completed. That is page number 172, 173 and 174 half. Thank you.